costume natin?
Nag-iisip pa ako, yung nakakatakot talaga o kaya sobrang cute para madami kang candy.
Hindi ba masakit sa ngipin yon?
Hindi mo naman kakainin yung lahat eh. Ibibenta natin yun.
O sige, eto ate oh.
Ano yan?
Nilagay ko mukha mo sa iba't ibang multo.
Tingin?
Ito.
Wow, ang galing naman nito. Ano to?
App yan ate. Face fancy tawag.
Ang fancy naman, daming choices.
Pili ka na ate. Bili.
Teka, hanap pa ako. Yung partner tayo.
Alam ko na ate. Sama natin si kuya.
Don't you dare.
Tama na kaka-order ha?
Opo. May natitira pa ba sa allowance mo? Meron po, budget na yun.
Budget. Tignan mo nga yung mga pinagbibili mo.
10 pantasa. Gagamitin ko po yan.
At saan mo kailangan ng 10 pantasa?
Para sa iba-ibang mood ko po. May sad Pikachu, may happy Totoro.
Ay, naku kang bata ka.
Isang beses pa na makarinig kami ng order para sa'yo, tatanggalin na namin ang allowance mo. Lagot, may isa pa akong parating.
Ma'am, sana po kayo banda. Nandito na po ako sa loob ng subdivision nyo.
Sino yan?
Boyfriend ko po. Sige, wait lang.
Tayo na, ma'am.
May boyfriend about it ate mo?
No, she doesn't.
Something smells fishy.
Mom's cooking fried fish, Claire. Let's follow her.
Thank you kuya ha. Ano ba? Privacy naman sa amin ng boyfriend ko.
In this family, only Dad will believe your little lies. Liar, liar, pants on fire. Where are you hiding?
Nothing. None of your businesses.
Mom's waiting for you at the door.
Or, pwede namang itago yan for you.
Anong kapalit? 50% of your allowance next month.
Ang laki! Deal? O papupuntahin namin si mama dito?
You're outnumbered.
Boyfriend niya nga po, ma. Black.
Si Mama.
Ba't para kang nagtatago?
I'm not Mama.
Ano yung nasa tiyan mo?
Bebe?
Bibilang ako ng 3.
I'm just full, Mom.
Isa.
Hermana.
2.
Tres.
May bago releasing Redmi 12C starts at 5499 lang. May freebies pa.
Uh-oh, I'm out.
Hep. Wala nga alis. Explain.
Alam mo ma, fun fact, yung phone may powerful MediaTek Helio G85 immersive 6.71 HD plus display at 50 MPAI dual camera sa halagang starts at 5499 lang plus freebies. Redmi 12C is a catch, right, Mom? She bought it for you. What?
Tama po, birthday gift po sana ni ate sa'yo. Surprise sana kaso nahuli mo kami.
That's true, Mom. Verdad, hermanita. Ha? Opo.
Ay talaga? Ang sweet naman ng ate ko. Thank you, te.
You're welcome po. We will still getting that 50% next month. We're watching you.
Alis na kami. Baka may papasabay kayo.
Saan kayo punta, Ma?
Bibili ng mga kulang para sa Pasko. Sinabi ko yun kahapon na.
Mag-message kayo sa GC natin para updated ang lahat kung nasan kayo.
Okay. Nagbihis ka, ate?
Oo, sa mall lang kami ni Vanessa. Larissa, the boys.
Opo, kuya. Bye, ate. Ingat.
Bye! Sa GC na lang. They all left. What do you guys want to do?
Let's go at the bookstore. Gala din tayo.
Let's go. To the bookstore? I'll think about it.
Then I don't wanna go.
Fine, on our way home.
So where are we going?
Secret.
Why?
It will not be a secret if I tell you.
Wait, kuya. Abutin ko lang tissue. What is that?
What?
Ano yon? There's blood on your seat and on you. Ha? May sugat ako?
What's happening? Everything okay?
No, it's not okay. Why are you stopping? We have to go to the hospital. Ma-hospital ako!
Everyone, stop talking!
Blood! Wah!
Let me see it, Bunso.
Wala namang masakit eh.
Shh, what to do?
We have to tell mom. Oo nga po, sa GC.
We're gonna do it later. I'm responsible for all of you today. Why are you smiling? Stop smiling! Do you know something that we don't? What is it? I will buy anything you want. Menstruation? Right! Menstruation!
Ha? Ngayon? Oh, right.
You're becoming a young lady, Claire.
Nangyayari na. It's happening.
Thank God it's not an emergency.
You think?
It still is?
Emergency pa din. Paano ba nga kailangan ko?
Oh yeah, right. We need to go to a drugstore.
Any store will do.
Okay, here's the money. Buy what you need.
Ba't ako? Ayoko pumasok doon.
Mark.
You're responsible of us. Remember?
Black. Fine. Wow, there's a lot of choices. Excuse me. Where's the aisle for drinks? I think I got lost. She's still there? Okay, F me. Let's get everything. Hi, good afternoon. Nakuha niyo na lahat ng kailangan niyo? I think yes. Good afternoon. Oh, para sa girlfriend mo? No. Can you please lower down your voice? It's you! What? It's not for me?
Ikaw yung sumigaw na naliligaw, di ba?
You heard that. Wow! Inubos mo stock nila, ha? Kailangan mo ng tulong? Please.
You got it?
Yup, crisis averted. Everything you need is right here.
Talaga po! Thank you, kuya! The best ka! Bathroom is that way. Black, samahan mo ko!
Yes.
Family day na natin! Aww!
Agad? I feel like we just did that yesterday. I wanna die.
I don't wanna touch your stuff.
Dali na guys, tradisyon na natin to. Mag-ready ka ng isang bagay na mahalaga sa inyo at willing kayo ibigay sa kapatid nyo. Bunutan ulit tayo kung kanino mapupunta yung gamit. Una kate, luma ko pong suklay. At ang suklay ay mapupunta kay Mark.
What? That thing is full of germs and DNA. I don't even know where she uses that.
Dali na, ginagawa natin to para makalabas kayo sa comfort zone nyo. O kaya, comfort thing.
I hate this tradition.
Ikaw Mark, ano i-share mo?
My clean gloves for cleanliness.
Okay, gloves para kay Bunso.
Ang corny! White na white!
So, keep it white.
Sa'yo, Bunso. Ito po ang jacket ko.
Okay, rainbow jacket para kay Black.
Okay.
What the fuck? Ano sa'yo, Black? Love potion. Puro ka talaga kalokohan, anak. O, JC, sa'yo na yan, ha? That's not real, right? Maybe.
Ayan, lahat meron na kayo. Gamitin niyo yan for 24 hours. Tapos i-share niyo sa family mga experience niyo, ha? I should put you in trash. What is that? Something's crawling. Ah! There's a knife! There's a knife! Hello, 911?
Hello, what's your emergency?
I'm going to die! I need your help! I'm going to die!
Calm down, sir. What's happening?
A light is colonizing my room! I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Ayan! Maganda ka na! Hindi ka na malungkot! Natutuwa si Mark dito! Ah!
Mierda. Why do I have to wear this?
Black! Ikaw ba yan? O si Claire?
Kalyar sila boka.
Black? Bakit sa'yo yung damit? Mukha ka nang mabait!
I will kill you.
Oh, scary! Hindi ka na nakakatakot, Black!
Totoong love potion kaya to. It's nonsense.
JC? Ano yan?
Oh shit. Kate, what are you doing here? Shit.
Ba't? Ano nangyari? Nakaka-istorbo ba ako? Okay lang naman, alis na ako.
No. Stay.
Okay. Ano yan? Gawa mo? Patikim!
No, it's not ready yet.
Sus, okay lang yan.
Oh, I hope it's not real. Ano, kamusta?
Germs! Hihi, wala sa akin. Yay! I'm a Barbie girl!
What did you do? Starting from now on, my life's task is to ban colors. ¿Cuál es el problema? The potion didn't work? That's the problem. It worked.
JC! Cupcake ko! Nasaan ka na? I miss you so much!
What's the anti-love potion? Quick, help me. Nada. You're torturing me, please.
JC!
No!